Official ways to make money online for your first online business, whether it's passive income or just money in general coming in. So if you are interested in this and affiliate marketing is something that you've heard about, then stay tuned, because I'm going to go into detail about my experience and how you can also get into the affiliate marketing industry. See you soon. Hi, this is Jen Edwards Robinson from Burnout to Breakthrough.com, and I help create your freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. Welcome back, and here is a fact for you, okay? How many hours a day do you think on average we now spend online? Okay, let's do a multiple choice here. Let's go for 5 hours or 10 hours. Or let's say, just 15 hours, okay? Which one? Pop it in the comment box below. You got it? Okay? We spend on average 10 hours a day. That is more than what we get in sleep. So it's just crazy to know. And if you're not online, then the time is now to get online. There are so many reasons why you need to get there with your business. If you have an offline business already, or maybe you want a change in career, or you just maybe want an extra revenue of income coming. So this just shows proofs in the pudding that we are living online, whether we know it or like it or not. So affiliate marketing. Oh, before I actually jump into affiliate marketing, if you are new to this channel, then hit that subscribe button, press that like button as well for this video, and if you hit the bell notification button, you'll be receiving from me daily videos on how to build your first online business so you can get your life back for the freedom and flexibility. Now, affiliate marketing, what is it for those who do not know? So affiliate marketing, let's say you've got a product or a service that you absolutely love, and what you would actually sell that product or service to a market who actually want it as well, and you would get a commission for that. So you're basically selling on behalf of that particular company with that particular product or service. So what got me into the affiliate marketing industry, first time round, it's about 4 years ago, so right now we're 2019, so it's 4 years ago, I joined a company called SFM. So SFM stands for Six Figure Mentors. So my first mentor into the online world was a guy called Stuart Ross, and I had an absolute massive epiphany. Like the insight towards the online world was just crazy, and I was like all for it. And what I experienced was just complete overwhelm, because at the time I had my 4th indoor cycling studio. I was pregnant with my boy then, and I just had too much going on. So I only had a membership with them at that time for about 4 months. But then, 4 years on, I've now rejoined them, and I've been with them for the last 6 months now, I think. And it's just been amazing, and these guys are just awesome, and I'm going to give you 3 main reasons why I think you should join a program like SFM. Obviously I'm an affiliate here, and I'm not going to do the hard sell, because at the end of the day it's not really my way of doing things, but I just want to show you the reasons why I've gone with someone like SFM, because you can actually find an academy that you might want to become an affiliate for. So the reasons why I like SFM is because these guys know exactly what they're talking about, because they've been around, what appears to me anyway, the longest. There are many academies out there who are just absolutely amazing and phenomenal in their own right, and I haven't just stuck with SFM, I've done other programs as well, and I'm soon to become affiliates for those academies as well. But SFM, they've been going now, at the time of recording, just shy of 10 years. So that brings a level of confidence that if you were to be trained through their academy, you know you're with the right people. So my point really there was, they're well established. And the second point is something like SFM, you can actually do it in your own time. So if you already have a career, or you have an offline business, or you're a mum, full-time job in itself, as you know, and you want something alongside with what you already do, then it's like DIY, do-it-yourself training. You can actually learn what you need to learn in your own time. But I must make a point that you must treat your first or all online business with the mentality like it's a proper job. You know, you need to turn up every day. You need to be doing something on a daily basis in order to build it, to grow it, to keep it ticking over. So my point here, let me just say, was so it's DIY. So you can do the academy training in your own time. So that's another reason why SFM for me was a great starter point into the online world. And my third point is the community, absolutely huge. I don't know how many thousands of people are in the SFM community, but the online or offline business world, you know, it can be a little bit lonely. So support is amazing, and I feel it's essential to your success, because it's imperative that you have a great support network. You might want to do this online thing alongside, or maybe not without your partner. Depends on if you've got like a supportive network in your home bubble. Some people don't always understand or get online, and they're a little bit against it. Absolutely fine, you're going to get people like that, and that's obviously their opinion. For me, I just see the complete endless opportunities going online. But let's just say, you know, you want to do something and you don't have that support at home for whatever reason, then you've got an online community that you can go to. So then you can share your questions, you can get that support that can hold you accountable, and it's going to see your growth accelerate because you're in a pool of like-minded people who are just, you know, voting and, you know, egging you on to your success. So these are my three main reasons, and if you feel you can use this as a bit of a 3-point process, if you want to enter a program or a product type offering, and you want to use these as a way of confirming if you're going to be with the right affiliate program or affiliate with the right products, then, you know, it's always good to see how long they've been established for, read their reviews and testimonies, success stories, see how they and what they've been doing in recent years. If you can spare the part-time hours, it's always good to try and see if you can do it in your own time, DIY, and it's always good to check out someone's community. I mean, I obviously do help people build their online business as a one-to-one, but there's only one of me. I'm a small team at the moment on the online world. But if you're looking for not so much a handheld type service, this is still step by step, but it's more about on your own doing it. So, but obviously with supportive people in their community. So I hope that gives you a bit of an insight into the affiliate world, and it, to me, it's just changed my life. It has given me a different perspective on how to work and do business, because with every respect to what we do offline, things are changing, and fast as well. I mean, that fact earlier, I mean, we're spending 10 hours online a day on average now. So if you can't beat them, join them, get online. It's where it's happening. All right then guys, see you soon. Bye.
Many thanks Breakthrough for hanging out with me online, and remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, as I'm dedicated in creating daily videos for you to learn how to build a freedom lifestyle business from scratch. Also, feel free to hang out with me and other breakthroughs in my closed Facebook group called the Breakthroughs Hangout. The link is in the description box below. Here's to your online business success.